Mixing lemon with water every day could completely transform your health, and I'm about to share the surprising benefits you didn't know about. In recent years, mixing lemon with water has gained massive popularity among health enthusiasts. People are raving about its incredible benefits, from boosting energy to improving digestion. But what's behind this trend, and is it really worth incorporating into your daily routine? Lemons are packed with nutrients, including vitamin C, antioxidants, and flavonoids. These compounds have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to support immune function and overall wellness. The high vitamin C content in lemons also makes them an excellent natural remedy for fighting off colds and flu. Drinking lemon water daily can have a significant impact on your hydration levels. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating, making it essential to drink enough water throughout the day. Adding lemon to your water can make it more flavorful and enjoyable to drink, encouraging you to stay hydrated. Additionally, lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is essential for immune function and collagen production. Lemon water may also aid in digestion and relieve symptoms of indigestion and bloating. The citric acid in lemons can help stimulate digestive enzymes, which can improve the breakdown and absorption of nutrients. Furthermore, the antioxidants in lemons may help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, leading to a more radiant and youthful complexion. Some people also claim that lemon water can help with weight loss, although more research is needed to confirm this. However, there are potential downsides to consider. The acidity of lemons can erode tooth enamel, making teeth more susceptible to cavities and sensitivity. To minimize this risk, it's essential to drink lemon water in moderation and rinse your mouth with plain water afterward. Some people may also experience heartburn or stomach upset due to the acidity of lemons. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. Moderation is key when it comes to drinking lemon water. Many experts agree that lemon water can be a healthy addition to a balanced diet. According to registered dietitians, drinking lemon water can provide a much-needed boost of vitamin C and antioxidants. However, they also stress the importance of being mindful of the potential risks and not overdoing it. In conclusion, drinking lemon water daily can have numerous benefits, from improving hydration and digestion to boosting vitamin C intake and skin health. However, it's crucial to be aware of the potential downsides and practice moderation. As with any health regimen, balance is key. Have you tried mixing lemon with water every day? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about staying hydrated, be sure to check out our next video on hydration tips.